Hello little bird watchers! Welcome back to Toonybox and our fun journey Know the Birds Part 2. Let's flap our wings and meet 20 amazing birds from around the world. Ready? Let's go! This is the kingfisher. Super fast and shiny. It dives into water like a rocket to catch fish. Splash! Here comes the eagle, the king of birds. With its sharp eyes and strong wings, it rules the sky. This little yellow fluff ball sings louder than your bathroom karaoke. Who's that? It's the owl. It sleeps during the day and flies at night. Smart and silent. The dove is a symbol of peace. It's calm, white, and gentle, just like a feathered hug. Hello, it's a talking parrot. Parrots are smart and colorful. They love to copy your voice. Tap, tap, tap. That's the woodpecker. It uses its strong beak to drill into trees for bugs. This pink beauty is the flamingo. It stands on one leg and looks like it's doing yoga. Meet the penguin, the bird that can't fly but loves to slide in the snow. Cool and cuddly. Wow, it's the peacock, India's national bird. When it spreads its feathers, it looks like a rainbow fan. Look at that big beak. That's the hornbill. It lives in the forest and makes loud honking sounds. Buzz buzz, that's a hummingbird, the smallest bird in the world. Its wings flap super fast, just like a fairy. Here's the crane, tall, calm and graceful. It walks slowly in water and catches fish with care. Meet the Mecca, a rainbow-colored parrot. It's noisy, clever, and loves the jungle party. This is the stork, tall and white, with long legs. It builds big nests and takes good care of its baby. Caw, it's the clever crow. Remember the story? It used stones to raise water. Smart bird. Swish! The swallow zooms across the sky. It flies fast and returns every summer to make a nest. Cock-a-doodle-doo! The rooster wakes up the whole village. Rise and shine! This is the lyrebird, the best mimic in the world. It can copy any sound, even a camera click or dog bark. Here comes the chatterbox, the Mynah. She talks, she sings, and she loves gossip. Some people say she's better at talking than your uncle on the phone. Wow, what an adventure! We met 20 amazing birds today, from forests, lakes, skies, and even snow. Which bird was your favorite? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in Know the Birds Part 3 with even more feathery fun only on Toonybox.